freezing.
Sorry to get to do your makeup.
That's okay. It's an awesome day. This is the day. I know it can.
I got this big red bag.
What's your twist?
Strut it, girl, strut it.
I want to walk down the aisle like this. I mean, you should. I mean,
She's so silly.
Kathy, we're real proud of you. And this is going to be the greatest day of your life. I want you to enjoy this wedding because all you have to do is say I do. And we'll take care of the rest. And then all the other works after the wedding's over. God bless you. We love you.
Good job.
I just made it up, Captain.
See, the thing is that he told us before we all got here and played the whole thing that he just made that up. So I'm going, wow, he had the ending and everything to that. That's good. You're a dog.
So how you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. I'm anxious. Is it 5:30 yet?
What's 5:30?
I don't. Oh, it's when we're getting married, dude.
We're not getting married. You're getting married.
Wait a minute. That's right.
Let's be specific.
So, could you turn it around and let me see like what you've already filmed over on the other side of the church?
No, I can't do that. Not allowed.
So
Not
you're
allowed.
gonna
No
edit
peeks.
that, so, you know, take all the bad stuff out. There's no bad stuff.
No.
Yeah, there's no bad stuff. It's all good.
I can't wait to see Kathleen with her pretty dress on. I know she's going to be beautiful.
Well, she looks beautiful, I can tell you that.
Really?
Yes, very pretty.
Yes. So excited. We're going to Paris. I mean, Gatlinburg.
Same thing. That's Paris in Tennessee.
I got to get the number again, dude. Are you serious? I laid it on the table in there.
He's bad, I'm telling you.
Yeah. I need to get the number.
Huh?
I do need to get the
Call on
number.
the way.
We get a room for tonight?
Yeah. I said something to you about calling last week. Did you not call this past week?
I gave him the number yesterday too, and you didn't do.
Dude, a bird flew somewhere and I forgot.
Seen that bird, yeah.
I'm glad to finally meet someone who procrastinates more than me, man.
I do
That's
procrastinate.
fantastic.
But
I'm sorry
that's
for you.
I work under pressure. You know, pressure motivates me. So.
You know, you can be a clutch player all the time, or someone who just needs to play in the clutch. So
That's pretty deep. I might have to get online. And
I just made that up.
Did you really?
Really? So it may not make sense when you listen to this.
Yeah.
You play
Sounded good.
It may sound profound now, but when you listen to it back, you're going,
He's like,
yeah. Delusion of grandeur. That guy's not really that bright.
That's great. Oh, I mean, I had the gifts I got to give to you all. Where is there?
I'm all about getting gifts, man. Don't lie. You like gifts, man.
We can't get us anything.
Yeah, really. Especially with everything else y'all are doing, to think about giving gifts on top of it.
Yeah. Well, I got. Okay. All right. Here you go.
thank you for you. Appreciate it.
Yes. Yes. Donald Trump.
He just wanted to make sure it wasn't his.
I'm gonna wait to see him try to get some.
There should be a nice gold card in there, too.
Nice.
Well, maybe.
Donald Trump signature.
All right, man.
Steven over here.
Oh, that is too cool.
Thank you, Chad.
Yeah.
Let me see what you guys got.
Yeah. Show them.
We got the official Donald Trump wallet.
nice.
Nice.
Hi, Kathy and Chad. I'm Joanne Scheich, and I'm very happy to be at your wedding today. I know it's going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous wedding because everything is so pretty already. And I wish you years and years of happiness together. God bless you.
God is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen. Kathy and Chad, according to the power that's been invested to me by God and the authority that's been given to me by the state of Kentucky, I now take great pleasure in pronouncing you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Chad Parrot. Let's give them a great big hand. Okay. Can you hold it for me? I sure can. John, I'm going to entrust something in your hands.
Then I'll write here, correct? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, yes, I got it.
Who was the maid of honor?
She's waiting on Kathy.
Okay, good. John, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, buddy. When I get finished, I'm going to give you this thing. I'm going to let you mail it.
All right.
So everything's entrusted in your hands.
Oh, man.
Or all these.
All right, we're going to make the first cut.